ating press, or our guests, when they came in, you were asked to pick from my bowl. Ang nakuha niyo po dyan ay maaaring nakasulat. Bubot, Manibalang, Hinalburo, VLFXX, may asim pang, and Panghimatas. Those represent the 5 subsets of the VLF. The VLFXX is our festival directors and other guests, Sir Roddy and Ma'am C. Now, sinet up na po natin na ang ating actors, directors, and playwrights are already in their respective set areas. So you can actually talk to them while you're there. After 5 minutes, a bell will sound. You have to move to the next group. So, ganun po. Press po ang uurong na, hindi po yung VLF. Mas madali po na nakapwesto na sila. So, yung press po natin ang uurong. So, that's 5 minutes every section. Para lang po ma-review. Bugot is here. Manibalang is here. Hinalburo is there. The VLFXX is here. Kung gusto nyo sila interview. May asim pa is here. And then Panghimatas. So, 5 minutes po yan every session. When we ring the bell, kayo po ang press. For example, ulit, when we ring the bell, hindi po ibig sabihin may ice cream na pinagyan ka, lilipat po ang press. I-assist po kayo ng ushers and our PR staff to move to the next group. Okay? So, we will start na po our speed dating Q&A.